Contemporary groups made easy. Chapter 3. Submitting data using logics. To submit winning data via logics, follow these steps. On the logics website, pick the shortcuts section. Click on cattle, select the option records weights for beef cattle under the beef header. This action will create a screen for new winning tests. All calves whose births have been recorded and submitted for your herd will appear on this new screen. You now have the opportunity and can divide animals into groups using a new test number or by indicating their status within the existing group. When submitting winning data, it's important to remove animals whose weights are not fairly comparable to others in the group. Each animal should be given a fair opportunity to compete with others in its group. Place these animals, those that did not have equal opportunity, in their own peer group or record their status. If there is only 1 or 2 animals in any comparable group, their breeding values will be assigned as mid-parent value. For example, a breeder's calves were weaned in 2 separate camps, one in the hills, called Camp 1, and the other next to the river, namely Camp 2. Because of the distinct environments of these camps, the animals were divided into 2 contemporary groups, as these surroundings likely influenced their growth. Also, among the calves weaned in Camp 1 are 10 weaners from cows recently bought at a sale. The data is represented as follows. In Camp 1, there are 50 calves, including 10 cows and calves purchased at a sale, as well as a set of twins. In this camp, all calves are placed into one main group, while the 10 purchased calves are assigned to a separate group, as will be identified with a new test number. Twins are marked with the code 03, rearing status, and their weights will be excluded from the blood analysis, as there are fewer than 3 animals in the group. They will receive mid-parent breeding values. In terms of Camp 2, there are 50 calves, of which 5 poorly performed calves that had diarrhea. 2 other healthy calves have index below 90, but they are the sons of a very expensive pool. Camp 2's calves can be assigned to their own group and will receive a new test number. Calves with diarrhea will be assigned code 03 under remarks. Their weights will be marked as unreliable and excluded from all calculations, including indices and breeding values. The expensive sires calves with low indices should remain in the group, as their parents have produced poor calves with poor performance and should be penalized. The result of this is that the herd is divided correctly into the 3 following contemporary groups. Group A22, that's for weaning, the breed code 2024, the year. Group 1, there are 38 animals, those are the animals in Camp 1. Again, code A22 for weaning, the breed code 2024. Group 2, 10 animals, those are the purchased animals. And then the third group, again A22 for weaning group, the breed code 2024 for the year, and group 3, 45 animals. Those are the animals in Camp 2. Effectively, each calf now has equal opportunity to compete and to be assessed based on its peer group. Remember to watch Chapter 4, namely the negative effects of assigning animals to the wrong group or deliberately manipulating contemporary groups.